how to register your number with the GRNMA Digital Platforms so that you can have access to the Infonet. You can use the Infonet to apply for loans. You can use the Infonet to take your 7 years. You can be able to subscribe for our subsidized or better price bundle packages. This is what you need to do. So as a newly posted nurse, you have to make sure you have these details before you start. You need to have your staff ID ready. You need to have your NMC PIN ready. You need to have your NMC registration number ready. Once you have those and then you have your phone, then you move forward to the next step. So you simply look for your dialer. So you tap on it and then you type *928*8#. Then you tap on or you dial. It loads and give you this feedback. And here they are saying that welcome to GRNMA Infonet. Please enter your staff ID. So you simply put in your staff ID here. After entering your staff ID, you tap on send. And then they give you a welcome message. Hello, Miss or Mr. Please enter your PIN or IN. So you enter your PIN or IN. Now, when you get to the PIN or IN, after the first two numbers, the first two characters are numbers, numeric numbers. After that, the next two are the initials of your name. So those ones are alphabets. So take notice of that. After entering your PIN, you tap on send. Then they give you another message. Hello, Mr. or Mrs. Please enter your registration number. Then you tap there again and you enter your registration number. After entering the registration number, you tap on send. It loads and tells you this: thank you for updating your details. You will receive an SMS from NMC to continue. GRNMA Unity is Strength. So this is simply how you register with the Infonet or the GRNMA Digital Platform. So after doing this, you now come back and dial *928*8#. Now look at something. You see now what you have has changed. The feedback has changed. Now you have choose a service below. So you can decide to choose 1, which is 7 years, 2 is pay for guest house, 3 is paid use, 4 is bundle, 5 is nurses fan update. So this simply means that you are now part of the GRNMA Infonet. After this, what you have to do next, you have to go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the Infonet app. If you can't do that, you can just see a colleague who has the app installed already or has the app downloaded already, so that the colleague or your colleague will share it either through Zenda or Facebook or through any means possible for you to also install the app and start accessing the services. So you can check on my YouTube channel and you can see the other videos on how you can update your details on the Infonet app properly. When you just go to YouTube, just search for KOMBIAN Simon GRNMA Infonet app update or GRNMA Infonet app. Maybe you can add the name KOMBIAN Simon and you'll be able to get that video. It takes you through how you can update your details and everything about the Infonet. I have videos on how to apply for loan, how to increase the nurses fund, and a lot of resources over there for nurses and midwives in Ghana. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for great content.